Daddy Show.
Are you ready for the 12 days of Christmas painting challenge? Come with me and let's count down together. Hello, let's create a beautiful holiday sign, and you can write anything you want from your heart. I have my materials here. My primary colors blue, red, yellow, and black and white. A paper or canvas. I have two brushes, a flat brush and a round brush, and I also have a skinny, fine brush that I'll need for this painting. Then I have my pencil. You have an option of using a marker for this, or you can just use your brush, a paper towel, and a cup with water. Let's get started. First, we're going to write the word that we want to put on our sign. You can put anything. You can put your name, you can put Noel, you can write joy, peace, love, anything you think that will represent you. Got it? So I think what I'll pick is joy. I like that word joy because life is so much better when you have joy inside. And Christmas is a joyful time. So I will write joy cursive, using a cursive font. Now, if you can't write clearly or whatever, you can ask mom or dad or anybody else in your life to write for you, or you can just give it a try yourself. Got it? So try to fit in the whole paper as much as you can. So I'll make a J, and then an O, and then the Y. Just like that. Joy. Nice. That's all I need to draw. What I'll do now is start painting. Now the background, I want to keep it white. So you can even when I leave a background white, I always still like to add paint to it. So I'm just gonna go with some paint really quick, white paint, because it gives it a shine and it has a better finish. So you can just quickly, with some water and white paint right over it. Just like that. Woohoo! Good. So I just painted it white. Can't tell. It's all good, but I know what I did. Now what I'll do, I'll put this to rest, and I'm going to use the fine brush that I have. Now if you think that's going to be a little too hard to handle, feel free to use a marker, a black marker, anything you like. I'll use the brush. You have to make sure that the background is dry, okay? This white paint needs to be completely dry. I'm going to add a little bit of water to the black. It has to have plenty of water so that way my brush can flow. Or you just use the marker. Make sure it's dry. If it's not dry, your marker is going to not come out very properly. Now you're just going to trace that what you just wrote. And if you are painting, you're going to have to reload your brush all the time. Oops, I went to the wrong one. I dip it in the white. Silly me. Keep adding water to my paint. If you did it with the marker, I'm sure you're probably finished by now. Faster than me. There you go. I did it. Joy it is. What I'll do now is I'm going to add Christmas lights around my word. So first I'm just going to go with the, if you have the mark, you can do this with the marker as well, or you can do it with the brush and just give it little spikes like this around on the outside of the word, the letters. Just little spikes. Let's go all around, try to keep it even space. Just like that. Good. Now we have, after you go all around and it's kind of evenly spaced out, you can then let that dry. We don't want to mess with it. What I'll do is just a little border around. So I'll grab that big brush again, get the big brush, and I'm going to use black as well. See, and I'm going to use the white, the wide part of the brush. So just think about like getting two corners of your canvas. I'm going to use these two corners, and I'm just going to create a little border, half a border, right? Just the edge, actually, just the corner. And I'll just kind of fade away. I don't have to end very sharp. I just, as you have no more paint, you just kind of brush and lift the brush, and then it's going to be faded towards the ends. And I'll do the same this side, on this side. So just fade, just like that. Fade away. So I just have the two corners. And in the other two corners, what I'll do is I'll make a little some Christmas flowers. So let's get some, first you're going to use your finger and you're going to get 3 little dots. You're going to go 1, 2, 3 using red. And then 1, 2, 3. Make 3 little dots. Just like that, and then wipe your finger. And now let's make some green. So yellow and blue mixed together. We'll do the leaves. The leaves are very easy. All you have to do is try to go out and out and out. Make 3, like you're making an M. Make an M and then a W. Got it? So do it again. You do on both sides. An M and a W. Facing each other. And then you color it in. We'll do the same here. Yellow and blue, make green. Do the same for the top part I'll make my M. You see, it looks like an M. And then I'll make a W. And the same, an M. And then a W. But now it's not really because it's to the side, so it doesn't really look like an M and a W, but turn it around, yes. And then you color it in. As simple as that. Try to end with a little point. There you go. Okay, now what I'll do is I get a little white, some white, and you're going to just highlight this. Just add a touch, just some strokes of white inside the leaves. Just to make it pop. No biggie. Add a little touch of white here and there. Boom, boom, boom. Good. Nice. That's it for that little area. What we'll do now is we're going to do our colorful lights. So let's start with one color first. And I'll pick yellow. I'm going to go from light to dark. So I want you to dab your finger inside the yellow paint and then a little bit inside the white paint, just a tiny bit. So you have yellow and white. And then just get started. Find one of these little things that you created and then dab it right over it. And then you skip two and then do another yellow. Skip two, do another yellow, right? And then you skip two, another yellow. And then you skip two, another yellow, right there. You're gonna run out of it, so then you go dab your finger again on the yellow and a little bit of white, like that. And then we need to do another letter. I'll start right here. This should be yellow because I skipped two here. It's gonna be a yellow. Skip two. This will be a yellow. Skip two. All right, that's fine. We'll make it work. I'll keep going. Put your finger inside the yellow and a little bit of white. And let's do it again on the white. I'll put one here. Oops. And then I'll skip two. Okay, I'll do this another color. I need one here, right? I'll do yellow here. And then I'll do different color there. Do yellow here. And then I'll do yellow here. Good. So these are my yellow lights. I got all, so just kind of scatter them around evenly. See? So they're going to be yellow with a little touch of white inside for the highlights. Got it? So now we can clean your fingers and you have to we're going to go with the red and we'll do the same thing. So we're going to get red and then a little bit of white. You can kind of dab it on your palette before you go on your paper so it can mix a little bit. So now you get started. After the yellow, you're going to place the red. And then you're going to skip that one, skip the yellow, and then it's going to be red. Skip one, skip the yellow, red. Skip one. Okay, what did I do? Oh, here. Skip one, skip the yellow, red. We need more. Skip one, skip the yellow, red. Keep going around. Skip one. This should have been yellow, but okay, we'll make that blue. That's fine. It's not going to be perfect, but it's going to be beautiful. And then I'll skip that. That's going to be blue. This is going to be red. And good. Keep moving along. And blue. Okay, I'll do this one. What? Do this one red. And I guess I'll have to do this one red. And then I'll do this one red. Oops. And that's blue. All right, I think I got it. So pretty much the remaining sticks are going to be blue. Wipe your finger. Now get the blue and a tiny bit of white. And let's go to work. The remaining ones are going to be blue. So that's going to be easy. Oops. Oh no, what did I just do? I smeared it here. It's okay. I can fix it. I promise I can fix it. When you do finger painting, you gotta be very careful because your fingers can get in places you don't want. Oops, I need more blue on that. There you go. Did I go everywhere? Oh, this one. And the last one right there. Make sure you go on every single little dot you made. There it is. Oh, how fun! And I'll fix that little area that I messed up. Just, I'm gonna paint over with some white. See, can't even tell anymore. There you go. All right, how fun was this, huh? So this is my beautiful sign saying joy, joy to the world. I hope you had fun painting with me. See you again tomorrow. Bye. Every day brings us closer to Christmas Day and makes us better artists. I would love to see what you painted. So post it on my Facebook page at Spotty Dotty Show so I can see it and you can get a chance to win prizes. See you again tomorrow for another painting challenge.